What's up guys, welcome back to another electric skateboard video, and today we are releasing the MBoards Endurance. We call it the Endurance. It has a 35+ mile/hour top speed and an absolutely insane range. As far as range goes, well, range ratings are quite dumb. All these different electric skateboard companies with similar boards all have vastly different range ratings. So it really does depend on your rider weight, your riding style, the terrain that you're riding on. But in my experience on this board and my rider weight, I can get 50+ miles on all-terrain wheels, and I've actually never been able to even closely kill the battery on street wheels. But based on my past rides, I'm estimating about 80 miles of range on 97mm wheels, which your feet will fall off before you ever get to that range, but it's there if you need it. But let's dive deeper into the specs. The Endurance features a beautiful forged carbon fiber deck, a massive 1450 watt-hour 12S8P Molicel P42A battery pack, a Stormcore 60D Plus with an integrated heatsink, very torquey 6368 190 kV motors, a VX4 remote with a super bright display featuring live telemetry, and double kingpin trucks with upgraded riptide bushings. And the real star of the show here is our forged carbon fiber deck. And until now, there really hasn't been a board that will actually fit a 12S8P inside in this particular form factor. And what's actually pretty crazy is that our clearance and how big our deck looks really doesn't look that much different compared to other boards out on the market. When we released our original Interstellar board, we mainly thought of that board as more of like a kit or a pre-assembled kit. But this time around, we really wanted to design and produce a production quality, production level board that still holds true to the MBoards mission statement. And our mission is to keep our boards 100% upgradable and to preserve as much compatibility as humanly possible, which means standardized connectors. There is no proprietary connectors anywhere in our boards. Our boards feature large open enclosures which make it really easy to find new electronics or to put in a new battery. Our boards will always feature VESC-based ESC, so that way our customers will have the freedom to add any new battery they want, new remotes, change their settings. Again, if they need to change anything, they absolutely can because of how flexible the VESC-based ESCs are. And this time around, we've gone one step further and standardized our drivetrains, so that way you can get pulleys and mounts from various other companies in case you don't want ours, or if for whatever reason we disappear. We want to be absolutely certain that no matter what happens to MBoards, that all of our customers are able to get replacement parts from pretty much any e-skate shop. All I can say is this: I set out to design a board that I really wanted to ride, which would be a board that's got insane range, more speed than I need, top-notch electronics, and a beautiful deck, which again, that is the best part about this board, is the freaking deck. I love it so much. If you guys have any questions about the board itself or the deck or any of the other components, please leave them down in the comment section below. We've actually also put a link to the full spec sheet in the description, so if you want to check that out, it probably will answer most of you guys' questions. So until next time, see you later.